Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about Vivo Y19 mobile fingerprint. If you are using Vivo Y19 and now you want to set up your fingerprints, let's see how can you do this. The first, let me show that here's the phone fingerprint, and now we're going to set up our fingerprints. So you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for password and security. Here's that, just tap on it, and here just select fingerprint, and here you will get all the fingerprints which you have, as I have already 4 fingerprints added. So just tap on add new fingerprint and you can easily add new one fingerprint on your phones. You just have to place your fingerprint on your fingerprint sensor to complete the verification. And after the process, just tap on done and your fingerprint will be added. You can easily manage your fingerprints from here. So that's how you can easily set up your mobile fingerprint on your Y19. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.